You've seen the hype. Brazilian Mounjaro is trending as a natural weight loss recipe. But is it the real deal or just another internet scam? The so-called Brazilian Mounjaro recipe is said to mimic the effects of the actual Mounjaro medication, using a mix of herbs, teas, or detox blends. It's marketed as a natural alternative to help shed pounds fast. But here's the catch. There's zero scientific evidence linking this homemade mix to the same metabolic benefits as real Mounjaro, which is a prescription drug designed for type 2 diabetes and weight loss. While the recipe may help curb cravings or support hydration, it's not a medically proven fat burner. So is it legit? Not really. It's mostly hype wrapped in wellness buzzwords. If this saved you from falling for fake claims, hit like and subscribe for more no BS health reviews. Stay informed, stay healthy. See you in the next one.